Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and today we have our 2017 GMC Sierra here in the shop with us. We're going to be taking a look at an issue that we have when we go around turns, and that is that the driver's seat likes to slide around on us. It almost feels like the seat is completely loose. And if you guys know what I'm talking about, stick around. You're not going to want to miss out, because we're going to show you how to fix this problem. It's a very easy problem to fix, and it's a very inexpensive problem to fix. So there's no reason to live with this anymore. I'm going to dive right into this, but before I do, if you guys have gotten value out of this, if you learned something, hey, if this helped you and fixed your problem, hit that like button for me. That way I know that you guys are getting value out of these videos, you like them, and you want to see more of them. And while you're at it, share this video with family and friends who are having the same issue, because that's what this community is about, helping each other fix our problems. And if you're interested, hit that subscribe button. That way you stay up to date on all the videos that we have pertaining to the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. We've made a lot of videos about these trucks, and we're going to continue to making videos about these trucks. And if you're interested, we even have a 1966 Chevy C20 that we're working on. We're doing a full restoration. You can find a playlist to all those videos linked in the description below. And if you guys would like to hang out with us outside of YouTube, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. And just like that, we're going to get into it. Unfortunately, I was unable to find very much information on this particular issue. However, I was able to find one video that pertained to the Chevy sedans, but it's the same part and same exact issue. I did a little more digging, and on the forums, I found that in January 2017, General Motors put out a service bulletin about this exact issue. It's the same issue, the same part, but nobody's talking about the trucks here. Whether you have a heavy-duty truck, a light-duty truck, an SUV, it doesn't matter. This is all the same issue. This goes for your Cadillacs, your Chevrolets, your GMCs. And if you guys have any questions, you can find all that information in the description below, as well as the part. We're going to link that down in the description below. That way you guys don't have to go through the struggle that I went through trying to figure all this out. We're going to make this very easy for you guys. And obviously there are trucks newer. The 2018 and early 2019 still had this same body style, and not much changed. So I'm going to venture to say that this fix will also work for you guys. But watch the video and see for yourself. If you have all the necessary parts and everything looks like it's coherent, then it's worth a shot. For this particular fix, you guys are going to need three things: a flashlight, a zip tie, and your genuine GM part. The particular part we want is number 13405675. And again, all it is a retainer. As you can see here, it has little clips that goes around the metal bar underneath your seat. And just so everybody knows exactly where this guy goes, I'm going to show you right now. This particular seat is powered, and something I forgot to mention before is that this issue only occurs on powered seats. Now we're going to take a look and show you exactly where this issue occurs. You guys are going to want to use your flashlight for this, because it is very difficult to see under here. As you can see, this white clip is your culprit. It allows your seat to move back and forth. Now in some models there's a weld back here that will prevent the clip from being installed. I believe this one has it, so we're going to have to cut about 10 millimeters off of the clip. I'll show you guys in a minute how to do that. But that clip goes right here to the right. All it does is clip on, and we zip tie it, and there you go. So we had it on, but it did not see properly, so for that reason we're going to have to trim a little bit off of here. So I'm using a roller here to measure out approximately 3/8 of an inch because it's very close to 10 millimeter. I've went ahead and taken off that 10 millimeter that was required. Now it's time to install it. Okay, I've already pre-bent this. That way we can fish it through easier. Okay, you're going to want to reach back there. You're going to want to reach around and make sure the wire tie did not clip on to anything else. I'm going to bring the seat up and down, making sure that is seated correctly. And just to be clear, we're moving the seat to ensure that the retainer is installed properly and that it's not going to fall off. And another reason we're doing this is to ensure that the zip tie is doing its job by making sure the retainer is staying in place. We do this by making sure the zip tie is snug and secure. And just like that, guys, we're done. This is a very easy, very inexpensive fix. At the dealership, this part came in for me at exactly $4. So there's no reason for anybody to live with this lateral seat movement. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you found value in it, if you learned something, and if it helped you fix your problem, hit that like button for us. That way we know we got to keep bringing this stuff to you. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss out on any of these videos. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. That way nobody else has this issue. It's too easy of a fix not to do it yourself. And if you guys want to, you can hang out with us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. And until next time, keep building.